Yo fam, it is another chilly day. The nice 60-degree days for 2 days come to an end. We are back to the crappy Indiana winter weather. Last night it was pouring rain, so I got everything soaked, and then it immediately dropped from like 50 to low 30s very quick. And then it dropped even lower, and now it's snowing and everything froze. School's canceled. Truck's completely frozen over with ice over the door seams and everything. Can't even lift the handle. Everything's frozen, but yeah, so I'm gonna get the truck warmed up here, start it up, and properly intro this vlog. A couple more boxes to ship out. Look at all this ice. This is gonna take so long to thaw out. Whatever. I didn't have the truck plugged in last night because I didn't think it was going to get this cold, and then it definitely did. So I'm going to cycle the grid heater one more time, and I'm going to go get the camera set up and do us a cold start. What is up, loud and proud crowd? I hope you guys are doing absolutely awesome today, guys. It is, like I said, it's another cold one. Got to ship out some more packages. If you hear that weird sounding squealing noise, it's the fan powering down from underneath there, whatever that has to do with anything. When I turn this up, it makes that loud squeal. When I turn off like so, it stops. I turn it off, and it starts to make that loud squeal. So I don't know what it is. I think it has something to do with the fan that's pushing the heat up through the system. I guess it's just making that weird sound. It's done that since I bought it. By the way, do have some news. We are actually going to Pennsylvania this weekend. Actually, tonight we're headed to Pennsylvania. That is not going to be part of this vlog. However, you should expect, or could expect, might expect to see some kind of video of that trip with the 6.7. Now, the only downside to this is we're going to be traveling at night, so I'm not sure what kind of video I'm going to be able to get. Pretty much driving from 8 p.m. to like 1 in the morning, okay? It's going to be a really not the funnest trip ever. Dad's got a lot of work he's got to do, and so that's the earliest he can get out of the office. He hasn't taken a break or a day off in so long. I think it's going to be good for all of us to get out there and just go hang out with somebody, do a little bit of deer hunt. If I do get any deer hunting footage, that will be on my other channel, Brotherhood Outdoors, not on here. But if you guys are into that kind of stuff, definitely check out that channel. Now, as far as what we're going to be doing today, I don't actually know. I don't actually have an exact topic. Yeah, I might have no idea. I really have no idea. I was thinking about going by the property and doing some kind of off-roading video, but I just don't know. That would probably be better than just talking the entire time. I think you guys might appreciate some kind of diesel truck action over, you know, just what I'm doing here. So let's go get these packages shipped out after the massive sheet of ice decides to start to thaw, and then we will get on to whatever we're gonna do for this video. Boys, I got something for you. We've got mud. And I know some of you guys are thinking, oh dude, we got mud all over around us, but guys, we've got mud right now. I'm talking standing water, icky, nasty, gooey, nasty mud. The spot where I've made, I think, 2 videos here now, you know, like trying to actually like kind of mud in this one spot, but I've never been able to actually mud in it because it's never been like the right consistency. So I just kind of like drive over and spin my tires a little bit. Dude, we got mud now. Look at this crap. Oh yeah. We got standing water. We got muck. Sticky stuff. Just look at it. It's beautiful. Now guys, part of me thinks this might be an absolutely stupid idea because I'm the only one out here right now. Another part of me thinks if I'm gonna mud by myself, this would be the time to do it because A, the driveway's right here, so it's like if I need to pull it out, we got a tractor and that's about it. Actually, no, we got 2 tractors here and I think a bunch of chains. So if I was going to do it, this would be the best place to do it. This is the only location we have that we can mud and the only location that my dad's okay with because he has to doze this out anyways and he has to grade it out in the spring once everything dries up. Actually, not in the spring, more like in the summer when it's all dried. He has to go and grate this all out anyway. He's like, so if you're gonna mud, do it there because it needs to be redone anyways. I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna send it, guys. We're just gonna send it. We're just gonna have to send it. Guys, it is the nastiest stuff. I'm telling you. This might be a stupid idea. I'm gonna try to walk out here and see how. Oh yeah. That's the good stuff. It's sticky. It's pretty freaking sticky. Let's see what we can do. Finally got the good mud for mudding. Oh man, this truck is gonna be so caked by the time I get this thing back through. Guys, look at this. Come on, this is the perfect stuff. I only had it in 4 high to get out, but look at that crap. That is some deep mud. Let's go take a look at the truck. At first I was like, oh dude, I'm screwed. And then I just dropped the clutch into reverse, dropped the clutch into second, back and forth a couple times, and we were golden. Oh man, this is gonna be so fun to clean. If I didn't think I could cover a repair, I wouldn't do this. But hey, it's just fun, and if worse comes to worse, I got this. It'd still be okay. But let's set this up again. Man, I don't know which way to go. What's the best camera angle? But this is fun. This is the good kind of mud. This is the stuff everybody wants when they're trying to mud. I mean, guys, look at how deep these ditches are. This truck was in that freaking crap. I'm not gonna go in there because my boots are actually really clean right now. This time I'm gonna keep it in 4-wheel. Last time I tried it in second, and that's the only thing that kind of got me screwed over right there. I wish I had a cameraman, but this will have to do. Oh boys, that was a lot of fun. I'm honestly kind of shocked that I didn't get stuck. I was kind of banking on having to use a tractor at some point to get me out. Dualies don't play no games, man. When you put that baby in 4-wheel drive, she just moves. She spins all 6 tires like nothing. She just flies through that crap. Guys, let's take a look at this truck. It just doesn't get that dirty because the tires are all underneath under the wheel well, so it's not stanced out yet. It will be, but not yet. We're still going with the grandpa build for a little bit. before we start to mod it out and make it a monster.
Once we get some offset wheels and tires, then it'll start to get real nasty with the mud.
All of those decals the other day.
I couldn't believe it, the first night you guys bought them all. Man, I just love doing this. I don't know why, like, even though some of my videos are just kind of the goofiest little things, I love just stopping back in and hanging out with you guys. I feel like that's what I'm doing every day. Like, I'm taking a couple of hours to go hang out with some buddies and share with them what I'm doing today. Like, that's seriously how I look at it. Definitely a lot of fun. Guys, look how much mud is packed up around these rear tires. I mean, really just packed in there and gave me one massive rear tire. That was some pretty cool crap. That was fun as heck. But I'm gonna get on home before I actually break something.
Yo, I just got back to the house and this truck is looking very, very filthy and we're going out of town for a couple of days. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to get this thing cleaned right. Done. Yeah, it looks a lot better. All that mud out of the wheel wells. Get everything shined back up. Got the frame pretty well sprayed down. A little mud off the rockers and everything. Off the mirror, the windows, off the fenders, all over here. Everything all cleaned up back here. Looks pretty good, looks pretty good. Yeah, so I really don't know what I'm about to do next. All I know is it is freaking cold. That took me about an hour to wash, and it may have seemed like just a second, but it did take me like an hour to wash. And like I said, it is absolutely freezing out here. And then you got this kid out here in freaking January in pajamas, in a beanie, playing basketball. What the heck?
Guys, everybody asked if you have Instagram. Do you have Instagram?
Yeah.
No, he doesn't. No, he doesn't.
He'll leave it in the description.
No, I won't. I ain't leaving it.
The gram.
Bro, your Instagram's not going in there.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not, bro.
Yeah, it is. Follow me at mfeeman13.
Cut. Thank you guys so much for stopping in. Got a little bit of mud action on the truck, and now it is completely getting re-iced over. Most of the ice actually pressure washed off with a pressure washer, but there's a thin glaze like on the tires and stuff. That's obviously still on there from just now washing it. But most of the water ran off, so it's not got any more ice on it than it had before. But yeah, anyways, we're gonna wrap up this video. Gotta get all packed up, gotta edit this video, gotta post this video, gotta get ready to travel. It's gonna be a 5-hour trip in the KingRanch, so I'm pretty excited for that. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, definitely smash that like button, leave some good comments down in the comment section below. Make sure if you have not done so yet, you subscribe, you join the team, you join the family. Thank you guys so much. I will catch you in the next video. Not sure if it's gonna be tomorrow because we got some big plans to hunt all day in Pennsylvania tomorrow, but maybe Sunday. So if I can, I'll try to get the video to you Sunday if I can't do one tomorrow. So thank you guys so much. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Doing what I love, going day to day, but I know it takes time and I'm patiently waiting. Sometimes I contemplate, cause one day you feel so close and the next is out of sight. But I know I gotta hold on tight to go back to just going out every night. Like if I'm about to let it go now, I can live alright, live a normal life, doing 9 to 5. But I know I'm more than that. I gained this skill, wasn't born with that. At the end of the life, it's a memory.